Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Doria. I cannot believe it is Friday. I have a recipe that is going to be delicious for this weekend. I know a lot of you love to watch football, so I have just the recipe for you. This weekend is the perfect weekend to make hot sausage and sweet sausage. It is quick, it's delicious, it goes with this crispy cold weather, and the prep time is super minimal. So let's jump right into it. What I'm going to be using is hot sausage. You can use as many as you want, and then also sweet sausage. So let's pop it right into our crock pot. Get your crock pot out. I already have it on hot. I have it on low, and we are going to do low either 5 to 6 hours, depending on the tenderness of the sausage, or you can do it on high for 3 to 4 hours, depending on the time. But this is a very minimal prep recipe. I had these in the freezer. I bought these when they were on sale. They were a great price. I think I spent less than $10 for 16 sausages. So I am going to make 8 sausages. And the next thing you're going to need is going to be your veggies. So you can buy these prepped, or you can buy them, clean them, and then cut them and prep them yourself. I had bought my onions. I already had onions from previous recipes, and they had green pepper and red pepper. So I had already cut these up nicely. I'm just gonna dump it all over my sausages here, just like so. And then all you need to do now is just do your sauce. So here's my prep, looks amazing. And then I'm going to combine a couple. I'm gonna do the Rayo's Marinara sauce. So one, and then I've been wanting to try this sauce right here, the sweet pepper. And this one is from the Shrimp District. If you're from Pittsburgh, you know what I'm talking about. This one is sweet pepper pasta sauce. So we're just gonna dump this in here, combine these two, and it's going to be delicious. And you guys, just like that, you have your recipe. You're going to combine these actually, just stir it really well. And once in a while, just check on your sausages, stir it. And like I said, 5 to 6 hours on low, 3 to 4 if you're doing it on high. So it's just depending on how much time you have. You're going to close it and you just wait. And just like that, this is the easiest, quickest recipe you will ever make. As you can see, it's been 3 minutes and I am done. Mind you, I did have to slice the onions and the peppers, but that took not even 10 minutes. That was very, very quick. So now you just leave it and cook it for 3 to 4 hours or 5 to 6, depending on which setting you prefer. And you can serve it over rice, or you can do it on a bun, whatever you prefer. I hope you enjoy. Leave it in the comments down below. Let me know what you think, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Thanks guys, bye.